Hey there, fasting friends! Welcome to a serene and rejuvenating yoga session designed especially for those days when you're fasting. Today, I'm sharing a gentle 10-minute yoga routine that's perfect for fasting days. This routine is crafted to help you stay fit and energized without overexerting yourself. Whether you're observing Ramadan, practicing intermittent fasting, or simply giving your digestive system a break, this low-impact flow will help you avoid dizziness and fatigue. It's important to maintain a gentle exercise routine during fasting to keep your body active and your mind calm. This flow will not only help you avoid dizziness, but also boost your weight loss journey by keeping your metabolism active. Remember, the key is to listen to your body and move mindfully. First things first, timing is everything. Aim to practice this routine 1 to 2 hours after iftar, when your body has had time to digest and you're feeling more energized. This timing ensures that you have enough energy to perform the poses without feeling too full or too weak. When your body has had time to digest, you can move more freely and comfortably. Ready? Let's dive in. We're starting in mountain pose. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and take a few deep breaths. This pose helps you ground yourself and set an intention for this practice. Feel the earth beneath your feet and let your breath guide you. Now let's move to a gentle forward fold. Slowly hinge at your hips, let your head hang heavy, and release all tension from your neck and shoulders. This pose is excellent for stretching the hamstrings and calming the mind. Bend your knees slightly if needed. Take 3 deep breaths here, feeling the stretch deepen with each exhale. Next, we transition to cat-cow pose. Come down to all fours, wrists below shoulders and knees below hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your tailbone and head. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your tailbone and chin. This is cat pose. Flow through these movements for 1 minute, linking breath with movement. This sequence helps to warm up the spine and release tension. From here, we'll move into child's pose. Bring your big toes together, knees wide, and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. This pose is great for calming the mind and body. Breathe deeply for a minute, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle. Next up, thread the needle. Back on all fours, slide your right arm under your left arm, letting your right shoulder and temple rest on the mat. Extend your left arm forward, hold for 5 breaths, then switch sides. This pose releases tension in the upper back and shoulders. Now, let's transition to seated forward fold. Sit with legs extended, feet flexed. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, fold forward from the hips. Hold for 5 deep breaths. Feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Finally, let's end with Savasana. Lie down on your back, legs extended, arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Allow your body to completely relax. Stay here for a few minutes, letting go of any remaining tension. This final pose helps to integrate the benefits of your practice. And there you have it, a gentle 10-minute yoga flow perfect for fasting days. Remember to listen to your body and take it slow. With regular practice, you'll feel more balanced, energized, and on track with your weight loss goals. Namaste.